Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abel and I represent Living Brook Farms. In today's video, I'm talking about my battery cages. The battery cages has been fixed and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it has been fixed. And everything is set. To harbor the chickens. This is just the one I've decided to fix. I want to use that as a test kit, or let me say I'm using it to practice how to use battery cages. So basically I just fixed 2 for now, so that when I get acquainted to it, I can fix the rest. And the fixing wasn't that easy. At least I've learned how to fix it partially, and I'm still on it. I'm still learning. I'm sure the previous ones that will come, I'll fix it myself, because I worked hand in hand with the guy who came to fix it. So I got the fair knowledge on how it's done, because I even had a chance to fix a whole portion, and it seems it's not really hard to fix. So we are ready to house chickens in the poultry cage I have now. So join me as we go along in this battery cage journey, because I'll be updating you on how the cages are helping me or not helping me on the farm, so that we all can have an insight on what goes on in poultry farming using battery cages or not using battery cages. Thank you. So I would like to end the video here. If you really like what you watched and you would want to be watching more of this, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell for new updates, and then also leave a comment. Thank you.